Ciao Tesla people, today another accessory, and this time is from a company called Modufy. They're from Japan, and here is the site. And let me check out the product. It's basically there are some protection for the doors, for the corners of the door. So let's go to Model Y Juniper, and if you scroll down, they have a bunch of stuff, and here is the product. And it's Door Defender version 2.0, they call it. They have for different cards and black and white. So I picked the white one, and here's the box, okay? So let's do an unboxing, and we'll figure out how to do the installation. I have a discount code, this Ciao Tesla, for 5% off. So the link is in the description. Okay, so check it out, and let's open the box and see. Let's figure out how to do this installation. Okay, so they have some labeling for Model Y and Model 3, and I guess the labeling are mapped to the correct protection. Okay, so here, read and understand the online manual before using the product. Of course, nobody reads the manual, but hopefully it shouldn't be difficult. The Modufy, I like the logo, pretty cool, very stylish. And what's inside here? So from what I know, they stick to the corner, and they have a sticker in the back. Let me get one of these guys. Okay, here. Yeah, they have a sticker in the back. Okay, and so let me put it back this guy, and here what's inside. Oh, some other sticker. Oh, so these are backups. Very cool, I like that. So if they come out and maybe the sticker doesn't work anymore, you have backup, and they are labeled corresponding to the protection and to the location. Very cool. And then what else they have? Okay, they have two stickers. Okay, to clean. Very good. So I can clean wipes. So I can clean the place where I need to install the protection. Okay, so let's figure out which one I can install right now. So they said, okay, so the front door and the back door. So they have, for Model Y, they have 3 in the front, 3 in the back. First of all, I'll open the door, and then I'll open all the doors. So let's do, the top one is YL1, and then L2, L3. So YL1 is this guy. Okay. Bit difficult to get them out. Okay, got it. So YL1 is on the top. Okay. L2 on the center. L2, which one is it? Is this guy. L2 on the center, and L3 on the bottom. So this is L3. Okay. By the way, they're rubbery, so pretty good. Okay. They're a bit difficult to get them out. Okay, oh my God, okay. So this is L3. L1, L2, and L3. Okay, they have the sticker in the back, and you have to peel off and clean the surface. Okay, so let's go get I'm going to use the wet one to clean the surface. Let me open it. I mean, installation is not difficult, just takes a bit of time, not a big deal. Okay, so let's get out and let's try to do this installation. Okay, so the corners are this guy, 1, 2, and 3, my guess. Let me check again the labeling. I know the top and the, okay. So it's this guy here. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. And clean here. Okay, what about the back? The back is already lost one. So let's get back this guy. The back is top, bottom, and bottom all the way down. Okay. So it should be this guy. This corner here. Okay. Not sure, don't remember if it's this guy, but it doesn't hurt to clean. Okay. Okay, so let's install the top ones. Okay, let's get the paper right here. Okay, L1, YL1, it's the long one, it's this guy. So it should be going like this, right? Yeah. Let's check it out. YL1, the top. Let's peel off the paper. Okay. And we'll put it right here. Okay. Looks okay. Now, L2, which is this guy, the corner, and then L1 is all the way down. Okay, let's peel off the paper. So this L2, let me put you down here so that you can see. I want to protect this guy. There's some dirt here. Okay, and I peel off this guy and place it like that. Okay, nice. Okay, fits really good. Nice. Okay, now let's do the back. And the back was the YL5 should be this guy to cover this guy. Okay, so I'm going to remove the sticker part, and this should go like that. Okay, needs to be, let me put you down here. Okay, sorry, it's a bit shaky, but it's difficult to do it with one hand. Okay, just keep it like that for a bit and it should stick. Hoopla, let me put you down here actually, and you watch like that. So I can do it with two hands. Okay. Okay, yeah, staying. A bit of patience so it sticks. Okay, that's good. And I think I'm done. No, I'm done for these two. Now there are the other ones, okay? So let me put back this stickers. So, okay, good. Okay. And it goes all the way down here. This is where you, nice, very good. Okay, so I said L4. L4 should be this guy. Okay, and installs all the way up. So let's peel off this guy. And okay, maybe I put it upside down. I'm not sure. I have to check. Okay. Okay. You have to push it for a bit so that can stick to the. Okay. That's one. That's the other one is YL5, and YL5 is the second from the 1, 2. It's this guy. Yeah. So. Okay. Come on. Okay, got it. And that goes to the middle of the door. Okay, YL5. So it should go right here. No, right there. Like this. I'm not sure why some they go towards the up, some other goes to the down. Okay. Okay. I think I need to change the. Yeah, I need to change the stickers. I'll do it later. Yeah. Okay. And then let's do the last one, and then the other doors I'll do it by myself because it's taking a bit of time. YL6, which is, well, 6 is this guy, this small guy down here. Take them out from the box is a bit of a pain. Okay, got it. And this goes all the way to the down of the door. Okay, so it goes all the way down to the door, right here. Okay, nice. So when you hit something like a, very good, looks okay, right? Yeah, this looks okay. This looks okay. And by the way, they are labeled, so should be pretty easy to. Not sure why this is not sticking. Oh yeah, I have to put the sticker back. Okay, I see. That's my fault. When I took it out, I damaged the sticker, so I'm going to replace the sticker for this guy. Okay, yeah, you see. That's why they give you backup. Anyway, looks okay. Very cool. It seems like a very cool product. You have to be struggle to get it out, but that's not a problem. But the product seems like working. I'm not sure how it's going to work for the long run. But you have other stickers, so so it should be okay. So this guy, it's in. This guy, it's in. And this guy, it's in. Yeah. So one sticker was the pain. Yeah. This one, it's in. Yep. And this guy works okay. Need to clean the car, of course. Only this guy needs to be fixed. And I have the stickers. that they provide you. You see, I damaged the sticker. That's why it didn't plug correctly. That's my fault. Anyway, so if you're interested, Modufy is the company. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Check them out. Ciao Tesla is the discount code, 5% off. And the guys are from Japan. So, very interesting product. Anyway, check out them, and please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. The link is in the description, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.